Hey guys, what's up? I just got this wireless bedwetting alarm from Amazon. It's not for me, guys. I'm just kidding. Well, actually, that is true, but I'm just being funny. Anyway, I just thought I would open this up and take a look at it with you so we can kind of see what this comes with. Aw, I always love a sweet little thank you note. That's nice. Some important things to read through. And, aw, this is so cute. A progress card. Aw, this is so neat. So you know kind of when you've had a wet night or a dry night. You can put the little stickers on for just like reinforcement. That's really like cute, a way to positively encourage. And then we have the alarm set up here. We have this piece that looks like it can clip onto something pretty easily, like a piece of clothing or, anything that you can get that around. Then we've got this digital piece. Let's see if this comes, like if this will turn on now, or if I need to charge it up first. You know, some things come and they've already been charged. You have a little C-port charger there. And then you have, of course, the cord with USB on one end and USB-C on the other end. So the USB would go into the wall. So it doesn't come with a charging block. You'll need to just plug that in. That's really common for things like this, of course. Let me just see if this will power on or not, or if we need to charge it before we do that. So looking like it probably needs a charge first, which is fine. But that's probably important to know when you're starting it up for the first time, that you're going to want to take a little time to charge it. I would imagine it doesn't take too long. But yeah, anyway, this is everything that it comes with. And I'll make another video testing this out with some water too, so after I've got it all charged, so that we can see how it works and what the alert is like. So anyway, I hope this was helpful for you, and I hope you have a great day.